Tired of drowning in WhatsApp messages and losing potential customers? Let's unlock the power of Aisensy and automate your way to success by getting you set up with an Aisensy subscription. First, head over to Aisensy's website. You can find the link in the description box below for easy access. Once you're on the site, navigate to the pricing page. Here, you'll see a breakdown of Aisensy's subscription plans. Take a close look at each plan to understand the features included, such as the number of contacts, message limits, and available integrations. Consider your business needs and choose the plan that best fits your requirements. For example, some plans may offer advanced features like chatbot integration, team collaboration tools, or priority support. Make sure to compare the features carefully before making your decision. Now, click on the subscribe or get started button under your chosen plan. This will take you to the Signup page, where you'll need to create an Aisensy account. Fill in your details, including your name, email address, and a strong password. Make sure to agree to the terms and conditions. After creating your account, you'll be directed to the payment page. Aisensy typically offers various payment options, such as credit card, debit card, or other online payment methods. Select your preferred payment method and enter your payment details securely. Once your payment is processed successfully, you'll be redirected to the Aisensy Dashboard. You should also receive a confirmation email. Congratulations, you've now successfully subscribed to Aisensy and can start exploring its powerful WhatsApp automation tools. Be sure to check out our other videos to learn more on how to use Aisensy. Good luck!